Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamaicanese Girl. Today I am doing a mini vlog just to show you guys I have made some Shamballa bracelets, and I want to show you guys what you can do in your spare time, making these little things, and they look so unique and so good. So I want to just turn the camera around and show you I've made a few so far, and I'm going to do this tutorial and show you guys how you can make a Shamballa bracelet made from out of elastic band. Okay, all right guys, so these are the few that I make so far. Here you go. This one here, I've made this one so far. It's cute. I've made this one as well too. This here is cute. And I also make this one here, and this one is cute as well. So stay tuned. I'll be making today I'll use these, and also I'll be using these iridescent color ones. I'll be using these iridescent colors. So I'll be using two-tone, okay? So these are my little beads that I have, Shamballa beads, them guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and this is my cord, my clear cord that I'm using today. Okay, yeah. And I always tell you guys, I am the star for the show, and I have to be in all of my vlogs. Oh my god. So these are my beads. This is what I'm using today. I will be using some of these iridescent colors, and I will be using some of the pink, and I will be using some of these stoppers here, these spacers I should call them. All right, yep. Let the show begin right now. Okay, you guys can see. Number one, I'm going to use my spacer. Number two, have another one. Okay, I should put a spacer on. I'll put my spacer on first. On my bead. And my dear friends, you have to have a lot of patience when you're doing craft work. If you don't have patience, don't do it. Don't do it. Alright, so I'm putting on my last bead on it, and then we're gonna do the tying off. Alright, so I hope you guys can see. Let me bring it a little bit closer for you to see. So this is how it's looking. Okay. Okay. So I have my little razor. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, that's all I want. So this is what you see in here. This is the, and I'm gonna tie it so simple. And mine's, when I tie it, you don't have a problem when you tie it. Okay, everybody have different ways and how they tie it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now how I normally tie it. So this is it here. Make a firm pull. And make 2. 3. 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this side and I'm going to pass it through this hole here. Okay, so you see it exit this side here, and I'm going to do the same for the other side, and then I'm going to follow up and knot it as well again. So this is the hole, and I'm going to place it through this hole. So it's giving me a little warm time coming through this hole, but nevertheless it's here. So you see that? So that's it here. So I'm going to pull it through. Alright guys, so this, I'm going to give it a final knot again. Pull very tight there. There. Pull firmly, because the elastic is very strong. That's what I love with this cord. Okay, 3. Right, 1 more, 4. So it's really firm there. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to pass this side through. I'm going to pass the cut side through to the other side, so it's going to be underneath this bead so it wouldn't show. Okay, this is my cut there, and I will just give it a sharp cut there. Cut this off. Here it is. So this, if you can look and see, this is where the part is out, So I'm going to push this bead over and everything is going to go in place. So look at this. Okay. Connect this and I'll stretch it all the way back. So I will have this in the end. Okay, so everything is intact. So I have my beautiful bracelet here. Hope you guys love it. Yeah, the evening has come down. The evening has come down on the beautiful rooftop of Views, and I am here giving thanks for another day. I would love to put on some charms on it, but I'm not sure because I'm not sure if I want to put a charm on it. But that's how I make my beautiful Shamballa beads, and you can do the same as well too. Okay, anything you can do, just believe in yourself. Okay, so guys, look at this. I don't think my camera is giving me any justice, but this is amazing. Look at this. Beautiful, sparkly. Look at this. Amazing. Look, man. In just couple of seconds, couple of minutes I should say, and I completed them. So I repeat myself, do whatever makes you feel happy. Take time in doing what you love, and everything is going to work out. Pay attention to your own self and run your own race. Stop looking and seeing how others are progressing. Yeah, stop looking to see how others are progressing, what their lives are doing, what is happening for them and might not be happening for you at this moment in time. But just remember, all right, to continue cheering others on, because when you cheer others on, you also know that you are in the lineup. So when your turn reach, people will cheer you on, but just continue to do things that you truly love to do and full joy yourself doing them. Okay, everything, just be happy with whatever you're doing and you'll see you'll get by. All right guys, kindly go and subscribe to my channel and leave a positive comment for me, guys. Let me know how I'm doing. I cannot stop doing things with my hands. I just have to do me. Honestly, I just have to do me. This is just a part of me and I love what I do, and yeah, here I am. And guys, like I always say in all of my vlogs, remember to pray and never forget that God is love. And until next time, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye for now.